Welcome to my channel.
Realme 10 4G goes official with MediaTek Helio G99 SoC, 5000 mAh battery. Realme 10 4G has launched globally as the company's first addition to its 10 series. It comes with a hole-punch display design and is powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 SoC. The 4G only device features a 90Hz AMOLED display and has a 50-megapixel AI-backed dual rear camera setup. The Realme 10 4G also gets a 5000 mAh battery with support for 33W SuperVOOC charging. There are only two configurations and color options available for the Realme 10 4G. It offers a dynamic RAM feature that can make use of internal storage to increase the system memory. Realme 10 4G price, availability. The price of Realme 10 4G has been set at $229, roughly 18,600 rupees, for the 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage model, $249, roughly 20,400 rupees. For the 4GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant, and $269, roughly 21,800 rupees, for the 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage model. The 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant is priced at $279, roughly 22,600 rupees, while the 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage version is priced at $299, roughly Rs. 24,300. It is offered in Clash White and Rush Black color options. The phone will go on sale in Indonesia starting November 10th. As of now, there is no information on the India launch and availability of the Realme 10 4G. Realme 10 4G specifications. The dual SIM, Nano, Realme 10 4G runs on Android 12-based Realme UI 3.0 and features a 6.4-inch Full HD+, 1080 by 2400 pixels, AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and 90.8% screen ratio. The display comes with 98% coverage of the NTSC color gamut and has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Under the hood, Realme 10 4G packs an octa-core 6nm MediaTek Helio G99 SoC, paired with 8GB of RAM and ARM G57MC2 GPU. The handset offers an option to add 8GB of virtual RAM to increase the system memory and boost performance. For optics, Realme has added a dual rear camera setup on Realme 10 4G, led by a 50-megapixel primary sensor with an f/1.8 lens and 77-degree field of view. The camera setup also includes a 2-megapixel shooter with an f/2.4 lens and an 88-degree field of view. The primary rear sensor supports a variety of camera modes including ultra-steady video, ultra-steady max video, night mode, panoramic view, time-lapse, portrait, and HDR, among others. For selfies and video chats, there is a 16-megapixel selfie camera at the front with an f/2.45 lens and a 79.4-degree field of view. The Realme 10 4G is offered with up to 256GB of UFS 2.2 internal storage that is expandable via a microSD card. Connectivity options on the phone include 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac, Bluetooth version 5.3, NFC, GPS/AGPS, GLONASS, Beidou, Galileo, 3.5mm audio jack, and a USB Type-C port. Sensors on board include an accelerometer, magnetic induction sensor, light sensor, and proximity sensor. Realme has packed a 5000 mAh battery on the Realme 10 4G. The battery supports 33W SuperVOOC charging. Besides, 159.9 by 73.3 by 7.95 mm and weighs 178 grams.